closer. 28 days.
That's how this is going to go down.
6 hours.
All right? And then at the end of the
42 minutes.
it turn into a shit show and we all get
12 seconds.
But, you know, like I said, we tried.
Is when the world will.
They're close, stay low. I got them crossing, they're crossing. Guys, they're crossing on our radio that shit in. 5-1, be advised, we have hostiles in the rear of our flank. 5-1, Tango's in the rear of our flank, how know if you fall because you're a rear handy.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, buddy. Hang in there, buddy. Back in. It's majestic. Probably look. Oh. It's beautiful. I thought you couldn't close windows.
What are you doing?
And I closed it.
I'm not back from that left side.
Roger that.
Both go, both go.
You can watch it through the windows. Now there's a catwalk on top that they're popping out. There's also some clearings in the middle. You can get a look at this door right here. Watch out. Got it up? Yeah! Hell yeah! Yeah, go.